Bean curd or tofu is a flexible and high-nutrient meal that has been a mainstay of Asian cooking for generations. However, as a vegan and vegetarian substitute for meat, it has only just become well-liked in Western countries. Furthermore, did you know that consuming tofu on a daily basis can reduce your chances of depression, heart disease, and several types of cancer? Let's quickly discuss some of the most incredible health advantages of eating tofu on a daily basis in this episode. Number 1. Highly nutritious. Tofu is high in protein, but it's also high in fiber, healthy fats, and a variety of important vitamins and minerals like calcium, iron, and magnesium. For anyone wishing to incorporate a tasty and nutritious component into their diet, as well as vegetarians and vegans, this makes it a fantastic option. Number 2. Isoflavones. The main component of tofu, soybeans, have naturally occurring plant substances called flavones that function in the body as phytoestrogens. While not as strong as the hormone estrogen, isoflavones have effects on women that are similar to those of estrogen. Women can benefit most from this because it can help with menopause symptoms like mood swings and hot flushes. Furthermore, research indicates that flavones may lower the chance of contracting a number of chronic illnesses such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even some cancers, particularly breast and prostate cancer in women and men respectively. Number 3. Improve heart health. Because it lowers cholesterol, tofu has also developed a solid reputation as a heart-healthy food. This is mostly because tofu is a great source of protein, fiber, and isoflavones, all of which are good for heart health in general. Although there are soy pills on the market, studies indicate that eating entire soy products like tofu may be a more effective way to reduce bad cholesterol. In the long run, these can assist in lowering blood pressure and the chance of hypertension, heart attacks, and strokes. Number 4. Reduced risk of cancer. A 2019 review found a link between frequent soy consumption and better outcomes for breast cancer patients. In fact, research suggests that women regularly consume soy may be at 16% lower risk of dying from breast cancer than women who do not. Furthermore, soy consumption before and after breast cancer diagnosis may reduce the risk of breast cancer recurrence during remission by 28% in postmenopausal women. Experts speculate that this might be because soy or tofu products contain isoflavones, which assist control women's hormone levels. Because isoflavones contain anti-inflammatory qualities, they can also aid in reducing inflammation within the body, which reduces the likelihood of aberrant cell death. Before we move on to the next fact, if you have enjoyed our video this far, subscribe now and hit the notification bell to get updates about health and wellness. Number 5. Reduce risk of diabetes. According to a 2020 assessment of research, people who regularly ate tofu were less likely to develop type 2 diabetes. Tofu doesn't quickly raise blood sugar levels because it has a comparatively lower glycemic index. This may lessen insulin resistance, which is a significant contributing factor to the onset of type 2 diabetes. Number 6. Stronger bones. According to recent evaluations of several studies, soy isoflavones may be able to improve bone mineral density and slow down the loss of bone. This holds special significance for the elderly, as bone loss is a natural aspect of aging and can result in osteoporosis and a higher risk of fractures from falls. Fortunately, tofu has a lot of phytoestrogens, calcium, and magnesium. Calcium is necessary for healthy bone growth and maintenance, as well as for the proper operation of muscles and nerves. Together with calcium, magnesium helps to form strong bones. Phytoestrogens, on the other hand, have been demonstrated to help lower the risk of osteoporosis and aid enhance bone density, especially in postmenopausal women. Number 7. Improve brain health. According to studies, soy isoflavones, which are present in tofu, may have a beneficial effect on adult memory, attention, processing speed, and general cognitive function. This may be mostly owing to the potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant characteristics of isoflavones, which help shield the brain from the oxidative stress-induced inflammation and promote improved nerve cell function in general. Even more astonishingly, tofu is regarded as a complete protein, meaning it has a very required amino acid that the body is unable to manufacture on its own. These amino acids can enhance mood, memory, and cognitive performance. They are especially crucial for normal brain function. Number 8. Fewer menopause symptoms. Menopause can be a difficult transition for many women, accompanied by a variety of unpleasant symptoms. However, new studies indicate that many of these symptoms may be lessened by include tofu in a balanced diet. In particular, it has been shown that soy isoflavones, which are included in tofu, positively affect menopausal symptoms like fatigue, mood swings, and hot flushes. Number 9. Healthy weight management. Tofu is a great option for anyone trying to lose weight or excess body fat, because it often has less calories and a higher protein content. Reduced needless food cravings and increased sensations of fullness are two benefits of protein. Your body may burn more fat and produce energy to get you through the day. Tofu's plant-based protein content is another fantastic feature that makes it even more appealing to vegans and vegetarians searching for nutritious, high-protein foods. However, keep in mind to select tofu kinds that are prepared from organic soybeans and avoid those that are genetically modified. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments down below if you love eating tofu. You might also want to check out the other videos on our YouTube channel. Just click or tap the videos below here. Thank you for watching.